guys for 200 coins.
300.
No, 300 coins in the battle.
Should we
Damn.
start off with a little roulette again? Let's just go mode.
Yeah, let's do green bait.
Oh, come on. What? No way. Every time.
No way.
Every time.
Nice, good shit, good start.
Alright,
There we
but
go. More
make sure you use
money.
code Rustgang right here. Choose one of these slots here and click apply for 5% deposit bonus or free cases if you're new, and you'll also be entered for our 9th giveaway. Just make sure you put the the Discord proof in the Discord server, and I'll enter you. And yeah, let's hop straight to it. 5%. These are 5%ers. Come on.
Yeah, come on.
So we got this battle for free here, so that's good.
Yeah.
Come on, now we gotta just.
Now we gotta. Let's get paid.
Hit it rain. Come on.
Nope.
Show a nice little rain. I'm closing the chat right here real quick. Ooh, nice. That's number one.
Nice. Good shit.
Please.
Best item here then.
Give us the gold border. I mean, we'll take this 192 or something. 168. Not bad.
Nice. Come on.
One more hit though. Would be.
Oh.
Missed. Come on, hit here.
Come on.
Here.
Believe. Damn.
Ooh. Rip. He's got a little bit back, but.
Yeah, a little bit back.
I'm keeping everything in the. Oh, let's join this guy.
Should we join the guys?
Whoa.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
50.
They're in the lead.
Oh, it's close.
We're gonna hit. Don't worry. Come on.
Come on.
We need a crazy hit like a Katowice. Again, come on. Katowice.
Please.
I have not seen anything through this.
No.
Come on. Here though. Come on. Huge.
2 Rainspins just goes by and they get a hit.
Come on. We need a hit now. Timber. No.
No, damn.
Damn, bro.
Oh, it started.
Let's start it. He called him the bot. Oh no. Misclicked, bro.
Oh no.
Where's the battle, bro?
No clue.
Hello?
Down there.
Down here.
Oh, we got a oh yeah. We got a print stream.
Yeah, print stream. Bro, what is this? What? No, but we can maybe steal it.
Wait, yes.
Stealable.
Oh,
Come on, come on. What are they hitting? Oh my god, they hit the
Oh my god. Wait, come on. I believe.
Dude, we have
I believe.
yellow.
19.
Wait. No.
What is this bullshit? Oh. This is not doing us.
Come on, bro. When can we ever come back from this? Oh, I still have. Oh, I forgot about this.
Wow.
Ah, come on. We have one more try after this then.
No.
No, it's on crazy mode.
Oh, wait.
Crazy mode jackpot though. So I mean.
Yeah, but
might be
this maybe this is shitter.
You think? No way.
No. No way.
No. No, bro. No. What? This is so dumb. But imagine, no way.
No way.
No way, man.
What is the ticket we're hitting?
Still have a decent chance.
Bro, if I see us hit one more
If I
rain,
blue, please, blue. Blue, bro, blue.
Yeah.
Be a blue, man.
I'm begging to.
Be a
I
blue.
don't know.
Oh.
No. Oh, yeah. Come on.
Dude, come on, blue
Please.
somehow. No. Oh, bro. Oh. Oh my
Wait,
god, and I
run back.
foresight.
No, we can't. And now we give us the win when there's nothing.
Dude. I don't even know, bro.
Green.
Green? Yeah. Come on,
Come
please
on.
be saved.
I believe. Just be green.
No. Oh my god. Yeah! No!
Sus.
Come
It
on.
wants us to win, bro.
Please. Save it now.
Just go crazy. Oh my. No. And we start like this.
We start like this. But there's a chance. There's always a chance.
Let's give them the Galil. I think the Galil.
Oh, and they get the red border, of course. 105.
Okay, it was not.
Could be worse. Come on, let's get a.
Bro. No!
Normal mode and crazy mode it is.
And it's a
And I
wildfire.
had another rod, a red rod.
But how much percent? Yeah, nice.
6. Come on, let's
We
get
need
8 now.
we need a coin.
Yeah.
No, I mean rain.
Whoa!
They're even hitting
Come on,
7.
Hit! Oh, and they hit one more.
I don't. I haven't seen anything on our side.
No. Oh
And no.
my. Bro, but imagine.
What's the percentage? Fuck off.
It's gonna go even lower. It's gonna be on 5 or something.
And they pulled the bulldozer, so that's like 130.
52. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
I thought
Wait. Wait.
Go!
Oh!
Yes! Wait,
0.96%.
bro, wait, is this the turning point?
my
Is this
God.
the turning point?
China, bro.
Every count.
Every
Country
country does that.
fucking
But
knows
that's
it.
just technological warfare as well. But
Oh.
battle started.
Well, so
Standard mode. Oh,
No.
skip that. Sounds so satisfying.
how much is that? 21?
21.
21.
Come on.
What's
They
the
hit a
rating?
rain. Oh!
What is this? Don't give up.
I'm not giving up, bro.
Hit the. No, go down.
It's okay. Come on, we gotta hit that rain here though, Loki, and Loki it doesn't hit.
It could have gone down to the deagle at least.
Come on. Here, come on. Oh my god.
I don't see anything on our side.
What's this? Come on, hit here.
Oh.
Doppler Ruby. Nothing, bro.
Good.
Come on.
Please. So all the
Somehow.
rain gods out there.
So the rain gods.
Let's give us this one, please. That
No, okay, I mean.
okay.
Oh! Let's go,
Yes.
come on.
Be good.
Be good,
Don't
bro.
fuck us.
Be a good boy. Be... Oh, wait!
Oh,
What?
wait, oh,
What?
that's so much.
How much
right?
is that?
Oh no, we're gonna lose it.
No! No, don't say that. I didn't know that was that much.
No.
I thought it was like gonna be like
What is the?
3x.
I think it's 1% in that case.
No, less. 0.5. What? Don't tell me
Oh,
we're
no.
gonna lose this.
No.
Come on. We gotta end it after this, bro.
No. This I.
No, nothing.
No,
Don't say
no.
don't say anything that can jinx it. No, they hit as well.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
How much? Oh my
Oh.
god, please blue.
No. Yes.
No.
That's. Oh.
Woo!
Damn.
Yo!
How much blue?
Recreate it. Create it again. You gotta do it. Run it back. Fuck you. Sell us.
Is that 1,000?
Yes.
Fuck.
I can't create.
You
Oh,
need
yeah.
to sell a skin
Oh,
right
whoops.
there. Yeah.
Calling bots.
Let's just get one more K. Oh.
Fuck, are we going to a mill? Get it, a mill.
I'm about to ball out, get a million. So this, I didn't know this case was that crazy, bro.
No.
Oh, if no,
Oh.
it was actually that close to getting. What was it, 50-50 on if we got what gone 1.7. I'm happy, bro. I'm happy enough, honestly.
Come on.
Stay.
Oh, stay. Oh. This one could be good, right?
Good.
No.
I mean, it's not crazy, but also not like.
I hit that 1% there.
Ooh,
73.
it's a nice. Still nice.
Blue.
Blue.
Then.
No.
Hey,
Go. Yellow.
Yellow.
Alright,
we just
let's
gave
do one
them
more battle here, and then I think we have to get out.
No, can you do a group?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking here.
Oh yeah, okay.
3 players.
We clicked on 3 I was panicked.
Shared. Okay, come on,
Okay.
please.
Come on. Coins, go.
I have no clue what these cases are, but I have a good feeling. Come on. Oh.
No worries.
This
Oh
one's-
my.
Oh my god. No,
Oh.
it's. Come on. Oh. Stayed. No.
Oh please, Titan. Titan, hold on.
Please. Gold border.
Ain't no way.
One more to finish that. Oh,
EKK's hard.
oh, Iki. No.
Oh my
Oh.
god. We gotta get. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. That was an insane comeback. I
Holy
think that's
shit.
the most insane
comeback of the
I've
year, I
ever
think.
seen.
From the
Dude.
green hit.
Yeah, make sure you're gonna use code Rustgang. I'm gonna be posting a few freebies in the in general. Yeah, guys,
What the fuck?
make sure to use the code.